Hi, it's truly Camelia, and welcome to class today. Today, we're going to be learning about the correct usage of has, have, and had. All right, this video is highly requested, and I want to assure you that I'm going to show you the correct usage because a lot of people get this mixed up. Okay. So the objectives today, well, first of all, I want to make sure that you have a pen and paper so we can go through this very precisely and take good notes, okay? So you can definitely understand this. So we're going to discuss pronouns. We're going to discuss some English rules for the correct usage of have and has. And then we're going to talk about the correct usage of had, which is the past tense, okay? So this is our pronoun review. I, you, he or she, we, they, and it. These are pronouns that are used pretty much every day in the English language, okay? These are pronouns. Our English rules for have and has are very simple. All you have to remember is for I, you, we, and they, you will use have. For she, he, or it, you will use have. So I have a new car. You have a new car. He or she has a new car. Also, for he and she, we replace with names. Martha has a new car. Sam has a new car. We have a new car. They have a new car. And it has a big head. Okay. You can also say the dog has a big head. So anything that you use to replace it, you would use has. Okay? These are the English rules for the negative. I do not have. But these are all contractions, okay? So most of the time in the English language, you're not going to use do not or does not, okay? You won't really hear that. Most people say, I don't have a new car. You don't have a new car. He or she doesn't have, a meal. Martha doesn't have a new car. We don't have. They don't have, whatever. It doesn't have. Again, a lot of times you're not going to hear does not or do not. Don't and doesn't are the contractions of do not and does not. Okay? Very simple. The past tense of these rules are the past tense is had. And the past tense is really easy. If you can just remember, had is the past tense, then you're okay because there's no change to the past tense, okay? So you had a bad day yesterday. We had a lot of homework last month. They had a really bad day last week. Okay. And you don't really have to put on last week or last month or anything like that because when you use had, an English speaker will already automatically know that had is past tense. Okay. So when you say I had, we will automatically know that you are talking about something that happened, maybe a few minutes ago or a month or a year. Okay, so good. English rules for the negative had not and hadn't. Usually, English, American English, we don't use had not or hadn't. Okay, it's very, very proper English. So you'll usually hear someone in Britain or British English talking this way. Okay, you won't really hear somebody in America say, "Oh, I hadn't got any new emails." You won't hear that. Okay, you won't hear that. All right. Um, didn't, didn't have is the negative of past tense. Okay, I didn't have any emails. All right. You didn't have, she or he didn't have, we didn't have, they didn't have, it didn't have. Okay, so we didn't have any new food or any nothing to eat. All right, didn't is the negative past tense. Did not, all right, didn't is the contraction. All right, you really won't hear anybody say did not. Okay, I did not. You won't really hear that. Okay, so again, these are some of the basic rules, and if you can remember these rules, you will be good. All right. Well, I want to thank you for watching. I did not want to make this video too long, but if you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. Also, make sure you practice making sentences with the information that you learned today. I didn't have, you didn't have, they have, I have. Make sure you practice writing and saying sentences, and also make sure you practice those actual sentences when you're speaking English. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.